This is a quick demonstration of VoxAid commands for ClaroRead Pro. Wake up. Insert ClaroRead dummy text. Go to beginning of document. Check for homophones. Click Next. Click Next. Click Change. Go to Suggestions. Press down arrow. Press up arrow. Click Change. Click Close. Insert before feedback. Play sentence.
Feedback has been returned, and the following items have been highlighted.
Select highlighted. Check word. Click Change. Go to synonyms. Press down arrow. Press down arrow. Click Close. Insert before has been. Click homophones. Click Change. Click Close. Insert after husband. Check for homophones. Go to alternatives. Press down arrow. Click Change. Go to alternatives. Press down arrow. Click Change. Click Close. Change text to font 1. Increase character spacing. Change paragraph spacing. Change paragraph spacing. Select the second paragraph. Copy that. Save as audio. Click Cancel. Click Prediction. Turn off prediction. Go to sleep. With VoxAid the Dragon Professional add-on. Using ClaroRead Pro by voice just got so much easier.